No one moves, no one talks during takes.
Right, so we don't...
Ready?
What are we doing?
Yeah, so we don't see it till... Yeah.
First positions, please.
Forget about character, just feel it. Just feel it. Just think of all the mechanics on it, forget all about character till you've done it a few times, and then we'll start saying, all right, now you jam it. You're not Naomi doing it, now you jam it. All right.
The report is at all.
Oh, that one.
I wonder if that could be, if you're like, troops, ties, a transport. I read the report. Yeah, you just shut them up. And then you take a beat, and you could say, no, Lieutenant General, you know what I'm saying? Sure. Thank y'all. Yeah. That's one. We'll type CTU at the same time as probably one of those. And then we'll take over the top part and we'll do the kind of transfer over the thing.
Oh, yeah.
What is that like?
The transfer from
I
the
saw
one
a
bit
rough
to the
video,
other.
but I can't remember what it's called.
I jump, I literally am like this, free to push off, land on the other bit. Slash. There. You look over your shoulder. I look over here. And wasn't it there?
Anthony back a little bit at the beginning, yeah.
I can hear it. So if you just stay there, and then we'll take
Please.
video, and then
Yes. Copy that.
We're having a balls moment! You need to... No. You're funny, voting and... I'm referring to this as like you thought it. Yeah. We gotta do
one last one after Rose.
Clear the set. Everybody.
Hey, Daze. Daze, will you come forward just a hair, please? Oh, better. Thank you. Hello, Mimi.
Yeah.
Oi!
Oh. Ready? Thank you,
Ready? Here we go. Standard speed. 54 Baker, take 2, A marker.
B mark. And
We're rolling. Okay, curious, and action.
Well, that's lucky.
Does that mean you get him down here?
halfway.
This one right here.
Yeah.
No, it would just be, he goes down.
don't know. You know, you see
What?
just this
What?
little-
I mean, I guess I'll see when I'm. What is like? Is it actually connected to something?
It
or
is
she just
connected to
holding?
something. It is connected to something,
Okay.
and it's funny. It's very petite in here. What's cool?
Another house coming at you. Here we go.
Yeah, no. Exactly, you're in the middle of it or whatever, and we sort of catch you in it, and we get it. And then at the end, if you could just tighten the line up a little bit at the end, that'd be great. Thank you.
Action, you're flying. Let's see the camera move. And you see them.
Friends, check your starboard.
Okay, cool. And cut. That was a good rehearsal.
Star Wars. It means family. The emotion of it all. Making a film with people that you really love. And this is the last one. Like, it's crazy.
What are you doing there, 3PO?
Taking one last look at my friends.
Roll cameras.
The feeling on set is one of joy.
I really like with this film that we get a lot more scenes together, especially myself, Oscar, and Daisy.
The dynamic between us three is capturing some of that spirit of the original films.
It feels like kids going on an adventure.
Cut. That was great.
And then it was fun too, because I hadn't properly worked with Oscar before. And he and John are hilarious.
That's my boy, man. We can be a bit cheeky sometimes, but as long as he's right next to me, I can do anything.
Backwards. The Star Wars universe has created friendships that have lasted for 40+ years.
I've fallen deeply, deeply in love with this man.
So to capture that spirit and bring it to a conclusion has been such an amazing task.
It felt nice to stand there with Daisy and Oscar. I'm kind of like, whoa, wow, like this is truly the end of our contribution to this saga.
But the legacy will carry on.
Take a few minutes for the Navi computer to calculate the coordinates.
A few minutes? Are you kidding? At the rate they're gaining?
No, what is it? Do you have to shoot this? Traveling through hyperspace is like Dustin Crop's kid. Without precise calculations, we fly too close to a store. Or bounce into a supermarket and then...
Yeah.
Be a hell of a mess.
What's that?
Watch. We're gonna lose the deflector shields. Go strap yourselves in. Be careful on the way out.
Yeah, sure. I'm taking it very cautiously.
You go away.
We bounced too near a supermarket?
this is a very simple, basic idea.
It's a story about a farm boy in Nebraska and not on Tatooine.
It was originally designed to be a modern fairy tale.
About good and evil, you know, and what prevails and what doesn't prevail.
It's unlimited, the possibilities of what they can do.
If this one doesn't work out, we're sort of finished. But hopefully it will justify it as a series. Make you say, gee, what happens next?
The whole experience has been so completely unanticipated.
I had my doubts about whether another Star Wars would work.
But I now get that phrase, thank you for my childhood, because it's something that people carry with them now forever and ever and ever.
As I see it, this is nothing to do with past, present, or future. Star Wars could be in any of those areas.
It's a big part of what makes these films so important to pass on from generation to generation.
I feel honored that I've been allowed to continue the journey.
It's very cool to meet someone inspirational to a generation of moviegoers.
Those that have gone before you, incredible artists in their own right. You delve deeper in your appreciation and respect for that.
Oh my gosh. It feels like I was just in a time machine and I had traveled back to when they first started filming Star Wars.
Roll cameras.
If you're a kid watching this 100 years from now, 500 years from now,
Sound speed.
you see this inevitability, this story conclude in a way that feels thrilling and shocking and funny and emotional and satisfying.
I like these films.
I think there's a legacy that's important.
Ready, set, and camera. Take 9.
Episode 9 will be a conclusion of a story that is over 40 years in the making.
Action!
So all stops are out and it's all go.
I'm about to.
Hi, everybody.
Hey, everybody. How you doing?
Hi.
Hi. See you guys.